This is what to do if your iPhone alarm is too loud. For some people, updating to iOS 26 made their alarm super loud and they can't get it quieter. With these steps, hopefully you can. First, swipe down from the top right. Tap on this little circle here. That'll take you to timers, but under timers we also have alarms. So tap on the alarms and make sure your alarm is turned on for 1. And for 2, now we can press the volume down button on the left and we should be able to adjust it. You can see as I push up, it goes up. As I push down, it goes down. And that's for the ringer, which also might affect your alarm volume. So make sure that's turned down. Next, hop into the settings. Make sure you're on the main settings, the very first settings page, and find sounds and haptics and tap on that. Here, this is the same as the ringer alert that we just set. As we can see, our custom ringtone is playing. Let's make it a non-custom one. So if you have an alarm ringtone set and you drag this around, you should be able to hear it getting louder and quieter. So hopefully you can adjust it down to the volume that's good for you. I always have mine quite quiet. And this toggle here, if you tried a minute ago to use the volume up and volume down buttons on the side but nothing happened, this toggle could be turned off. So if you turn this on, you'll be able to do the volume up and volume down buttons on the left side. Something you might try as you're scrolling through these settings is the volume limit, but this won't help you. It says right here, this limit does not affect phone calls or and alarms. So if you limit the volume through this method, it's not going to affect the alarms. So this isn't going to help very much, or at all for that matter. But one more thing you can try is under Face ID and passcode. Tap on that, tap in your PIN code, and if we scroll down a little bit, we have a couple options, these two right here. The attention aware feature specifically, they check for attention before dimming the display, expanding a notification when locked, or lowering the volume of some alerts. So this checks to see if you're there, and then it lowers the volume of things. If you're using your phone, for example, it's not going to blare an alert in your face or an alarm in your face because it knows you're looking right at your phone right at that moment. So try turning this off. So then it doesn't check, it just plays them at regular volume. Hopefully one of these options works for lowering the volume of your phone. If you set those settings and nothing seems to be changing, you might have to just reset or reboot your operating system. To do that, all you do is you press up volume, down volume, then hold the action button on the right side until the screen appears. Keep holding right through the screen. It's going to go black, and then keep holding it. You're going to see the Apple icon appear. In just a few seconds, keep going, keep going. There it is. Now you can let go. And what this does is it just reboots the phone. It doesn't change any settings. It just reboots the software because sometimes there could be some cached information or, software. Stuff gets weird sometimes. You always have to reboot on a fairly regular basis to make sure everything's cleared out and the settings are being used the way they should be. And then you'll come back to your lock screen. You can log into your phone again, and Bob's your uncle, and hopefully your phone alarm is now quieter. If you got value from this video, make sure you like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out this video on your screen right here, which shows you how to empty the trash on your phone. You've probably never done it, but it's important that you do it. So check out that video, and I'll see you there.